Okay, so this is how the Oomph comes, like this. There's a couple of things you need to know when you wash it. The lid unscrews. Here, hey Cindy, come help, please. Can you come help? So the lid unscrews. There's a bit of paper inside it that says, please wash. So I had to pull that out. Just hold that. This comes off like this. The inside bit unscrews. I had this off once. It unscrews and comes out. And the bottom bit, see the snappy things? It snaps off and comes apart. So I'm going to wash it and I'll be right back. See one. So, the metal disky filtery thing comes out. I finished washing it. I'm going to put it back together. Right now, I'm waiting on the kettle to boil. But I'll put this back together. Once I remember how it goes. This goes down in here. This goes down in here. Screw that in. And here's the top of the Oomph, which I'll need later, and the lid. I've taken a scoop. I've got a coffee scoop here of coffee, and I've got it in my grinder. The directions that come with it say to add coffee, add water, wait, and add some more water, then push it down. There's some nice little lines here to tell you where to put the coffee to. I'm guessing I started with 1 scoop of coffee. For the Oomph, I generally use 1 scoop for 1 normal cup of coffee. I'll start with 1 and we'll see how it goes. So while the kettle boils, I grind the coffee, we'll pause and I'll come back. So we're back. The coffee filled the Oomph up just to a little bit below the coffee line. The kettle just boiled. So I think what I'm supposed to do now is take the water, pour it in the Oomph up to the max water fill line, and wait. We'll let it kind of equalize. The directions don't really say how long. Oh, it does. It says stir for 10 seconds. So I'll get a spoon. I'll give it a stir. I ground the coffee about like I grind for a cafetiere, French press. And so here's the top. I'm supposed to top this off again. Give it a little bit more. I probably could have done with a bit finer grind, so now all I do is just push this down, and the coffee should come up out. Super cool. You probably can't see inside. The coffee, yeah, you can't see it, is coming up through. Push it down, push it down, push it down. It's nearly to, yeah, I could have done with a little bit more water. There we go. I'll put the lid on. There it is. I have to be smarter than the cup. Hey, Oomph guys, you need a catch back here. Oh, there is one. Hey, cool. Now we'll see how it goes. Oh, this is uber cool. I got this because I travel a lot, and when I travel, I take coffee making supplies with me because not every hotel gives you